Welcome to our latest explore. This is Roam Beyond Limits, and today we explore the abandoned Metro Bar in the West Midlands. Join us as we step inside the former free house that was once known as the Empire Tavern. This was a local spot for generations of black country punters, especially in the 70s and 80s. Closed in 2008 during the recession that hit the UK, but its fate was sealed in 2011 when a fire destroyed the first floor. Do you have any memories of the Empire Tavern or the Metro Bar? Put it in the comments below. Let's go further and explore more in our latest video and see what's left of this abandoned building in Dudley, West Midlands. Today we're exploring the Metro Bar. Very fire torn. Let's explore. Found the toilets. Down the basement. Barrels will come in.
Dry wood again. Dry hard wood.
Series form down. span the other way so you could see it a bit better.
Right. Well, that you can only get as far as that big bit of section of roof that's falling down.
Oh, is that roof?
Yeah. Well, it's the ceiling, the plaster. Have you managed to get past it?
Obviously. Then you just got to go through a little hole.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, I don't have any stickers left. Well done.
I've got super sticky ones.
Have you?
Oh no, you don't have left them in care.
Oh. That's typical.
Right.
See what I mean? It's that. See what I mean? It's that one section.
It is. Thank you.
So this one section. Hang on. Oh, that's too
That's
close.
going to bring a lot down.
Yeah.
It's just this one section that catches. You have to go this all the way round to the back here,
To the back.
and
really?
see this gap here, the bottom.
Oh.
So you slide under. Watch your hair. Bloody hair, man.
I'm going to tie it
Like
up
that.
now.
There you go. And then climb up.
Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, and that's glass sturdy at the bottom. Okay.
It is literally just that one piece that you got to get past. Literally. You've just done the same thing what we've just done. You've got to go the opposite way or slide underneath that one
Yeah,
stone.
go the opposite way.
Like that, and just slide through this bottom gap. And you're up. I told you it's easy.
Kind of.
Upstairs. Balcony. Old metal fireplace.
Just watch middle there. Right where you are.
Right where I'm standing.
Right where you're standing.
You're not allowed in.
Why?
You didn't go the steps way, you're not allowed in.
You did go the steps, like.
The proper steps.
They are the proper steps.
Not the fire exit. Don't walk down it.
Don't walk down it. No, don't walk down. Very satisfactory.
Yeah, he's been sitting there since we got here. He watched us walking.
Satisfactory. Camera come loose. There we go.
What came loose?
The camera.
You sure it was the camera?
Yeah. Oh, look at the castle right there. Oh, the poppy's hanging down the wall. That's a big. Oh. In a room.
So you just climbed on the wall to get down then, yeah?
I just climbed onto the edge of that.
The wall space.
Why is that fucking dodgy?
Put my leg over.
I think you're just trying to kill me.
I just got down.
Oh, it is a bit wobbly up here, isn't it?
I like it.
It's a wobbler.
I like it wobbly. I've heard. That's hard bent and wobbly. I'm wet.
Yeah.
I'm wet. Eat your heart out, Lisa. Everything. I'm a bit lucky.
It's a bit wobbly.
That's alright. I'm quite used to a wobble. I grew up on a farm. So the old ladders aren't a problem.
Hope you enjoyed this video. It's the abandoned Metro Bar. The other people's links will be in the description below. See you in the next one.